योगो योगविदान्नेता प्रधानपुरुषेश्वरः नारसिंहवपुः श्रीमान् केशवः पुरुषोत्तमः।
ॐ योगाय नमः। ॐ योगविदान्नेत्रे नमः। ॐ प्रधानपुरुषेश्वराय नमः। ॐ नारसिंहवपुषे नमः। ॐ श्रीमते नमः। ॐ केशवाय नमः। ॐ पुरुषोत्तमाय नमः।
Yogaha, he who is the means of attaining himself to those who have surrendered. Yoga Vidam Neta, the leader of those who are well versed in spiritual practices. Pradhana Purusheshwaraha, the chief of the main nature and the living entity bounded by it. Narasimha Vapuhu, the bearer of the body of Narasimha. Shriman, the most charming and radiant one. Keshavaha, he who has amazing curly hair. Purushottamaha, he who is greater than the men in all the worlds. To those who have fully surrendered to him, he himself becomes the means to attain him. He leads those who are experts in the path of spiritual practice and for those engaged in worship. He removes ignorance and lights the lamp of true knowledge. He is the Supreme Lord who controls the primal nature, Prakriti, and governs the souls bound by it. In the form of Narasimha, with a lion like body, he protected the world. His divine beauty shines with magnificent flowing hair. He is greater than all beings in all worlds and beyond the power of nature itself. Chanting this verse removes fear and gives inner courage, especially the name Narasimha Vapuhu reminds us of the Lord's protective nature. It strengthens our devotion and trust in God. Names like Pradhana Purusheshwaraha and Purushottamaha bring divine grace and assurance of His protection. Reciting this verse daily deepens our connection with the Lord and helps us feel His love and presence in our hearts every single day. योगो योगविदान्नेता प्रधानपुरुषेश्वरः नारसिंहवपुः श्रीमान् केशवः पुरुषोत्तमः.
Follow us for next slokas. If you like this, please like and share and comment Om Namo Narayanaya.